Hey everyone, welcome back to the place we were testing every single mask on Amazon. Every single mask, which is a lot of masks, in case you're wondering. Today we're looking at KN95 masks, looking specifically at the Kingfa mask. I know this manufacturer, I'll talk about that in a minute. Let's get it in the clamp. There we go, I did it. It's a nice box. I mean, it's not soft touch or anything, let's not get crazy, but it's like a good quality box. Like I feel like I could set a monitor on top of it if I needed to. You know, not for a long time, but you know, a couple minutes. Well, that's good. I like this seal on here. It's got a good seal. Oh yeah, that's a real seal. And then I can tear that top. Oh wow, that that did not. What is happening? That's great. See, I knew the Kingfa mask would be following the standards because these guys know what they're doing. Like I said, I've known them since the beginning of the pandemic. Clamp in. Looks good. And we'll let it rip. This is a PFE machine, Particulate Filtration Efficiency machine. What does that do? It does the N95 and the KN95 test to see if these masks will actually protect you. Now, let's talk about Kingfa. They're on Amazon here. Kingfa actually was one of the biggest manufacturers of melt blown, which is the filter part of the mask. And they were making all this melt blown and selling it to other manufacturers early on. And I know this because we bought our melt blown machine from China. And so we were reaching out to different manufacturers, figuring out, you know, how to run these things, best practices, because all of this technology before the pandemic was basically in China. And so we worked with a lot of folks over there to stand up our melt blown machine here so that we can make our own melt blown. And they were one of the people that we had a connection with. So they should make a pretty good product. Ooh, hope so. I can already tell that they are one of the only real KN95 masks that we have tested on Amazon. What does that mean? Well, you need three things to be a KN95. You need to say KN95, you need to say what standard you're using, and then you gotta have the manufacturer name, in this case Kingfa. Now Kingfa was only making melt blown before the pandemic, but after everything went crazy, they were like, well, why don't we just make the whole thing and make it vertically integrated, right? And so that's what they're doing now. Let's check out this mask. Got a lot of great reviews on Amazon, looks like. Good fit. It does have that, what I call the Chinese plastic smell. Like if you've ever put on a Chinese mask, you're gonna find that, like there is that smell. It's like a pretty like present plastic smell. And that's exactly what this smells like. So it's not bad, it's just present. It's just there. I prefer a mask that, you know, has less of a smell than this. But again, like I can tell, this is a really good quality product. Oh, it broke. See, anytime you say something's quality, it's gonna break. Just try it at home, guarantee it. But it like this is like, it's very, very strong. Come on, Kingfa. All right, well, I don't think it would ever come off on your face. Huh? Huh? When you're wearing it? Yeah. So there you go. It's strong enough to stay on your face. But if you pull hard enough, it'll break. Not the strongest, not the weakest. All right. So we talked about the standard. We talked about Kingfa and their backstory. We talked about why I think they're a brand that I would probably trust. I would guess that it's going to test well. But I opened the box. You saw I opened the box. And I didn't know for sure if it was going to test well. So now my reputation minorly on the line, except for I can just delete the video and you would never know. You never know. So you already know the outcome. Let's look at it together, okay? 3, 2, PFE machine. Ah, okay, yeah, see, there you go. Yeah, not bad. 99.153, 99.153. And the breathability is a little high. I'm surprised, 169 pascals. Now, I like things to be below 150. That's still within the KN95 standard. But it is a little bit high for me. But again, like they're probably trying to go above and beyond with this 99. Because remember, you only need to hit 95%, and they're hitting 95. So, you know, there's always going to be an inverse correlation between the breathability and the filtration. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I trust a Kingfa mask mostly, if I was going to. Oh, neato! It comes with mask clips. Oh, that's cool. That's to help with the fit. All right, thank you guys so much, and I will catch you on the next test.